we are all waiting for an asteroid, but the true apocalypse is already in orbit. If the moon suddenly fell toward Earth, you probably picture a massive explosive collision. But physics says otherwise. The moon would never actually touch the ground, but it would kill us long before the impact. Welcome to the Cosmic Vault. Today we are running the simulation on the ultimate planetary catastrophe. This is what it actually looks like when our moon falls from the sky. If the moon began a death spiral toward Earth, the first thing to hit us wouldn't be rock, it would be water. The moon's gravity controls our oceans. As it crosses the 100,000-mile mark, the tidal forces would become catastrophic. We wouldn't just see high tide, we would see dark, 300-foot walls of water violently sweeping inland at supersonic speeds. New York, London and Tokyo would vanish under the crushing weight of the ocean in a matter of hours. As the massive lunar sphere hits the 30,000-mile mark, it would fill the entire sky. Day and night would cease to exist, replaced by the blinding, terrifying glow of the lunar surface. At this distance, the gravitational pull is so extreme it no longer just pulls the water. It begins to pull the Earth itself. The tectonic plates of our planet would violently buckle and stretch. The ground beneath your feet would literally tear open. Global magnitude 10 earthquakes would shatter the remaining inland cities, while hundreds of supervolcanoes erupt simultaneously, choking the atmosphere in thick black ash. Gravity itself would invert. If you were standing directly under the falling moon, you would physically weigh less. You would feel a terrifying, subtle pull upward into the sky. The oceans wouldn't just rise, they would be pulled upward into the air like a reverse waterfall. But then the moon hits the 11,470-mile mark, and the laws of physics execute the final blow. Every planet has an invisible mathematical boundary called the Roche Limit. At this exact line, the gravitational pull of the Earth becomes stronger than the gravity holding the moon together. The moon wouldn't crash into us, it would shatter. In the sky above, the crust of the moon would violently split open, revealing a blinding core of molten magma. In a matter of minutes, our massive, ancient moon would be shredded into a billion pieces of glowing rock. For a brief, breathtaking moment, the Earth would gain a ring, exactly like Saturn. A massive glowing halo of pulverized lunar debris orbiting our burning world. But it wouldn't stay there. Within hours, that ring would undergo rapid orbital decay, raining down upon the Earth as a fiery, planet-boiling meteor shower, turning the surface of our world into an ocean of glass and magma. Hit the subscribe button to join the Cosmic Vault and click the video on your screen to survive the next cosmic simulation.